Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Erik.Sakshaug, and today I'm going to be giving you all a brief tutorial on this brand new Winnebago Adventurer 27N. Come on in, let's have a look around. Right, starting in the back of this 27N, you may have noticed that I said Adventurer this year. That's correct. For 19, this is no longer a Sunstar floor plan. This is an Adventurer, which means you get a few extra bells and whistles. To start with, the back of this is about the same. You're going to have a beautiful, huge wardrobe over here. You've got lots of ample storage space up above the bed, a legitimate queen-size bed, plus lots of nightstand space on either side and power either side. The power on either side is sufficient to power CPAP machines and stuff like that. And not to mention all this wonderful dresser space over here as well. You are, of course, going to have a legitimate solid wood pocket door there rather than the curtain. As we get into the bathroom, this is another great thing. You do have lots of great storage space in here as well. The shower, again, I'm about 5'9", I weigh about 200 pounds, and as you can see with my back up against here, my fingers aren't touching at all, so there's lots of room for me to move about, plus lots of great medicine cabinet space up here as well. Lots of good storage. As we get into the rest of the coach, let's start talking about the amount of storage that you have here as well. You've got all the way back, I mean, I'm just barely touching the back with my fingers, but you can use this as pantry space. You can use this for extra linens, for towels, for sheets, etc. There's just no shortage of what you can really do here. You're, of course, going to have your standard two-door gas electric refrigerator. From there, you're going to have your residential convection unit. Great thing is that by removing the oven, they've actually got two gigantic drawers down here that are perfect for pots and pans, plus other foodstuffs. The great thing about this kitchen is that the slide here is actually going to be over or coming across here when it closes up, which means that this is a fixed object. So I can put all my weight on this and not have anything moving around. It's really kind of handy. Lots of workspace in a 28-foot coach, probably the biggest kitchen space I've seen in one this size. As we go around, you do, of course, have a big TV here. You have a wonderful dinette space here. And then once you get up into the cab, you've actually got this chair which will rotate around 180 degrees. This will double as a recliner. The other driver's seat will move around as well. 6-way power over there. You do, of course, have a big display. And this will work well for the outside cameras, both the backup camera and the side view cameras as well. You can also mirror your phone to this. So if you don't want to try and mess around with a GPS system or something like that, just take Google Maps out on your phone and link it up to this and it'll be good to go. You've also got great workspace up front with USB and 12-volt power, so you can power up a laptop, keep your iPad going, etc. And last thing to note about this coach on the inside is that you do have a bunk space up above. So that is going to drop right down, will come right above here. You got a ladder buried in the storage outside, so you can sleep an extra person up top. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to talk about the beautiful interior of this coach. Let's go have a look at the wonderful exterior. Right, on the outside of this brand new 1927N Adventurer, first thing to notice, check out this beautiful, spectacular paint job. This is full body paint, so this coach will look every bit as good in 10 years as it does right now. Safety, of course, is always number one. They do have side-mounted cameras here, so you can cover all your blind spots as you're going down the road. And then arguably the most important part about any RV experience is what can you take with you? And as you can see, you've got pass-through storage space right here up front. You've also got another big storage space right here, and both of those two storage compartments are connected together, so if you do have longer objects, you can actually lay them in this way and get away with it just fine. You do have outdoor TV here, and then like I said, storage is the big thing, and as you can see, you've got a huge storage compartment back here. So this goes all the way through. As you can see, you can actually access this from all three sides of the back part of the coach. No shortage of what you can put in here. And this is all metal. This isn't a rotocast compartment. It's very stable. You can put lots of good stuff back here. As we work our way around, The other side of the coach, as you can see, maybe just barely, but this is an Onan 5500 generator. And that's something that you might not have been expecting on a 28-foot coach. What that means to you is that you've actually got 2 AC units on top. So this is gonna, you can go to Yuma when it's 110 outside and still have the inside of your coach be 70 degrees. So this is gonna have more than enough power to take care of the entire coach. And then the other nice thing is, again, I'm about 5'9". I'm not the tallest guy in the world, but as you can see, I can get to my wet bay here, my power bay, and I don't have to duck to get under the slide. That's a huge thing for a lot of folks. From there, your tank drains, and once again, I'm not having to duck to get under a slide. This is one of my favorite features about this coach, but everything between here and the wet bay in the back is just very, very easy, very user-friendly. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to talk about this beautiful 2019 Adventurer 27N. As I'm sure you know, there's a lot of those little fine details that I didn't have a chance to cover, and believe me, I'd love to have a conversation with you so you and your family can make an informed decision. When you've got some time, please feel free to contact me using the information below on the screen, or if you'd like, call me direct on my cell phone. That number is 541-513-3171. Hope you're all having a wonderful day, and please remember, we're always here to help.